Hello. In this video, we'll be showing you how to navigate through the Sociological Review resource. Once you've completed the sign-in process to access the Sociological Review, you should find yourself on the main page like so. To see the number of issues that are available for you to access, simply click on the Browse Journal option, and from the drop-down menu, select All Issues. If you scroll down the page, the Browse by Year section goes by its most current issue, which is currently May 2022. And as you scroll down, you see that it goes all the way back to its very first issue of the Sociological Review, which was published in January 1904. There are two methods in which you can search for a relevant issue on the Sociological Review. Either you can search by clicking through the Browse by Year section, like so, or you can use the free options located within the Select an Issue section. The Select an Issue section allows you to select a decade, select a volume, and select an issue. So for the following example, in the Select Decade option, click on that, and from the list of options available, we'll just select 2000 to 2009. And in the Select Volume option, we'll just select 2007, Volume 55. And finally, in the Select Issue option, we'll just select Issue 2. And once you've done that, just finally click on the View button. You should now find yourself on the following page, which is the table of contents. To view and read a particular article, for example, we'll just click on the top article to be taken to the following page, where you can read that article in a full text format. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice that you have the option to either download that article as download a PDF, or you can open EPUB, which means you can just open that up and view the article in an EPUB format.